Alrighty guys, we are here at Menards here in Springfield, Illinois on the north side of town. And this is my last Menards store to film in the whole state. We have an Abell here to ride.
I like this Ford.
Oh yes. Let's go to 2. It's a nice and clean one. Here we are at 2. No loud door operator. That's nice. Really? Oh, sorry.
Oh, you're fine. You coming up?
Yeah, I'm going up.
You're going up?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going up too.
Alright, come on in. I'm just doing a video on the elevator since I'm kind of the nerdy kind of guy who likes Menards.
What are you vlogging?
I just videotape elevators in each of the different stores around the Midwest and Menards.
Oh, okay.
So I travel all across the Midwest and show people what each of the Menards store elevators are like.
I see. Alright then.
You're
Well,
welcome.
there's only 2 floors.
Thank you. That's true. That's funny. Anyway, there's the indicator. Capacity of 4,500. Innovation Universal. It's a nice cab. Pretty squeaky clean. Although it's a bit dirty on the floor, but it's pretty squeaky clean. That's funny. And it doesn't ring. And there goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.